In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the torque settings on a Craftsman drill. So in order to change the torque settings, you need to look at these numbers here around this collar. The Craftsman drill has all the settings on one collar. Some drills have two, but it's all on here on the Craftsman. That's drill mode, so that doesn't include any of these settings. This will give you the full power of the drill. So if we turn it down, number 3 is one of the lowest torque settings. So you'll find that the clutch starts to slip with very little force applied to the bit. As you can see, if I hold on to the chuck here, you can hear it clicking. I'm having to apply very little force. So that won't drive your fixings in very deep, and that's the lowest torque setting. If we twist this higher up to 21, you'll find I'll have to hold on to this chuck a lot tighter before the drill starts to slip. I can't even make that slip. So if you're driving in larger fixings and you're wanting them to fit flush with the top of the workpiece, then you're going to need to adjust these torque settings to a higher number. If you're putting fixings into something that's relatively soft, or you're using smaller fixings, then you want to turn your torque settings right down. So I hope that's helped explain a little bit about these torque settings, where they are and how to use them on your Craftsman drill. If you found this video useful, drop us a like. And if you want more quick tool tips, we've got plenty in the bank and plenty more coming on the channel, so feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.